Guys, kayo ba may mga nanglalabong paningin katulad ko? And nahihirapan na rin magsuot ng eyeglass everyday. So, kung kayo yon, samahan nyo kung puntahan natin itong isang eye center dito sa may Angeles City para magpa-screen. At the same time, malay nyo, ito pala yung kasagutan sa mga malalabo nyong problema. Okay, so Nanobabo Kabalan, welcome to We're in Pampanga. So for today's vlog, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, since medyo namumblema tayo sa paningin natin, sakto-sakto, dito meron tayong free comprehensive eye screening. Dito lang yan sa may The LASIK Surgery Clinic, dito sa may Angeles University Foundation Medical Hospital. So, avail natin yon. At the same time, papacheck na rin natin yung mga mata natin kung candidate tayo for LASIK. So, samahan niyo ako. So, tara, let's go. To give them idea po, sino po ba si The LASIK Surgery Clinic?
So, the LASIK surgery is the first center to offer complete corneal laser refractive procedure in Northern Luzon. Okay, we have the PRK, Trans-PRK, Femto-LASIK, which we call Smart LASIK, and the Smart Sight. So, Smart Sight is our most advanced procedure we offer, the small incision, and Smart Sight is we are the first to offer in the Philippines. We have 8 core doctors here. We have Dr. Raul Henson, Dr. Andrew Angeles, Dr. Carlo Magno Torres, Dr. Armand Contreras, Dr. Maricel Angeles, Dr. Owen Ramos, Dr. Pius Ocampo, and Dr. Ferdinand Lagunilla.
Yes.
Our surgeon are one of the top laser refractive surgeon in Angeles City.
Ano po ba yung mga Doc? Yung mga dapat kong malaman and sino po ba yung mga candidate for LASIK?
Yung candidate for LASIK, as long as usually ang cut-off namin is 150. But some of the patients, kung that's their need, kahit na below 150 and they want to do LASIK, we can do it as long as they are happy with after the procedure. Ang laser refractive surgery is ito ang nire-reshape. It is called cornea. So ito yung nire-reshape na laser.
Gaano ba kahaba yung operation natin? At the same time, yung healing time natin?
Okay. Yung surgery itself, mabilis lang. Everything is, the 4 types of surgery, mabilis lang ang surgery. It would take around 10 to 20 minutes, tapos na both sides.
Wow.
And it's painless.
Nice.
It's painless. No?
So, lesser ka ba po sa mga may malabong paningin, di ba?
In terms of healing, mas less ang downtime ng Smart Sight. Mga siguro, after the next day, nakaka-office work na sila. The first 3, Smart Sight, Smart LASIK, and the Standard LASIK.
Yes.
Except the PRK. Yun ang may downtime na 5 days to 7 days.
So, di lang pala ganun ka rin kahaba yung downtime, Doc?
Yes.
Para maging operational ulit.
So during the screening po, no, ang gagawin natin first in here, so this is a refraction room. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check your vision, okay, yung visual acuity mo, kung gaano kalabo yung eyes mo, and then we will check your refraction, titignan natin yung grado ng mata mo, and then kung ano yung magiging best corrected vision mo. So ibig sabihin ng best corrected vision, kung hanggang saan lang natin mapapalinaw yung mata. Hindi kasi lahat na nagpapalisik automatic 20/20 vision agad yung ine-expect nila. So kung hanggang saan lang po yung kaya ng mata natin, hanggang doon lang tayo, alright? The next door, that's the dark room. So, nandun naman yung mga machines natin, yung mga diagnostic machines natin. So, there, i-check naman yung mga parameters to know if you're gonna qualify for the procedure or not.
Ngayon, this test, kaya we need it dark because we will be checking the pupil size, yung opening ng eyes, para at least alam natin kung gaano kalaki ang pupil size mo to know if kung ano yung mga possible maging effect ng LASIK sa inyo. We will also check kung nagdadry yung mata mo dito. Okay, so this is the first machine, the first layer of the eyes, the cornea yung chine-check. Ito naman, This is the fundus camera. So here, this machine will take images or pipicturean niya yung loob or the back part of the eye, the retina. So dito, especially with nearsighted people, yung mga matataas yung grado, usually they have an elongated eyeball. So we have to double check kung healthy yung back part of the eye, walang butas, walang punit. That is why we have to double check as well kung healthy yung inside niya. So basically, ito yung 2 machines na gagawin natin dito sa room na to. Blink again, eyes wide open, wider. Okay, steady lang. Blink again, open. Okay, eyes wide, steady.
Sa mga naghahanap naman ng mga LASIK center, so paano po ba nila mapupuntahan to? And ano po ba yung mga offers natin dito?
Okay. So the LASIK Surgery Clinic offers free screening. You can, for appointment, you can call 0922-825-2020. We are located here at Angeles University Foundation. So pagpasok mo, we are just on the 2nd floor. Very easy to find. So if you want to book an appointment, you can call us or you can message us on our Facebook page.
Alright, so yun. Ito yung kasagutan sa mga malalabon yung problema. Yeah, so that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Peace out.